Imagine building a real Iron Man suit in your garage. No Hollywood budget, just 3D printers, composites, and pure engineering genius. This is the story of Alex Lab, the man turning sci-fi into reality. Alex Burkan, the Russian engineer behind the Alex Lab YouTube channel, has spent over 6 years creating a functional Iron Man exoskeleton. What started with pencil sketches and clay models has evolved into one of the most impressive DIY superhero tech projects ever. His channel is a goldmine for makers, full of 3D modeling, printing, and composite tutorials. Alex didn't rush it. He began in 2018 with basic prototypes powered by heavy lead-acid batteries. Over the years, he upgraded to lithium-ion packs from Tesla and focused on making everything lighter and stronger. From small clay sculptures to full-scale 3D printed parts, every step was documented. The biggest challenges? Weight, mobility, and reliable power. Since a real arc reactor isn't possible yet, Alex built something incredible: a custom high-pressure hydrogen electrolyzer. It splits water into hydrogen and oxygen using electricity, then uses the hydrogen to power artificial muscles. His latest 2026 model includes better radiators and pressure management for more consistent power. This gives the suit far better energy density than regular batteries while looking straight out of the movies. The suit uses an aluminum steel frame with myoelectric sensors that read your muscle signals. High-pressure pneumatic muscles and composites make the movement fluid and powerful. Repulsor-like hydrogen plasma jets on the hands and boots add that signature Iron Man flair. Everything is 3D printed and hand-finished with carbon fiber layers for the perfect strength-to-weight ratio. Today, the suit can move naturally, lift objects, and fire controlled plasma effects. Alex is still improving it. Lighter weight, better power efficiency, and even more advanced features. He shares full blueprints and guides so other makers can learn and build too.
Are available for Alex Lab channel members and Patreon members.
Alex Lab proves that with passion and persistence, anyone can build the impossible. From a garage in Russia to inspiring millions worldwide. If you're into engineering, 3D printing, or just love cool tech, go subscribe to Alex Lab right now. The tutorials are insanely detailed. Drop a like if you want to see more real-life superhero tech breakdowns, subscribe for weekly long-form videos, and comment what suit would you see build next? Iron Man, Spider-Man, or something completely original?